Hey guys, Ty from Garage 88 here. Really excited to bring you one of our latest products in upgrading the small screen to the big screen for the GMC Sierra and also the Chevy Silverado. This is good for model years 2019 to 2024. If you have the small screen like this and you want to upgrade to a big one, check it out. By upgrading to this screen, you can keep all your functionality plus more. First, we're going to take apart the dash and show you how to get this thing on. You may notice that I have the jump seat in the front, so it will be similar for those that have the center console. These ones right. Oh, you just use your finger. Now that we got the old unit out, very simply, we're going to transfer the bottom half of these buttons and switches over to the new unit. I know something like this may seem intimidating, but if you look on the back, it's actually one entire row that uses Torx or clips. So let's do that right now. There's a variety of different adapters and accessories in the box. This includes faceplate cover, optional external speaker, auxiliary camera and mic harness if you want to play PlayStation in the back. We have two different kinds of power adapters depending on your style of monitor, and these are both included. You just have to make sure that this larger end fits the OEM harness. This is the power adapter cable, external microphone, which is optional as the system uses the OEM microphone built into the headliner. Two 4G LTE antennas, external SD card reader, and additional two USB port adapter. Also included is an external GPS antenna. I've went ahead and placed all the adapters and connectors into the unit first, and we're going to peel everything off one by one so you know exactly where everything goes. The first one over here is the factory LVDS plug socket. So that looks like a little USB port. That one goes there. Number two is this purple one, and this is the speaker adapter. Number three is the USB adapter socket. Number four is the factory power adapter socket. Again, this may differ depending on what your OEM one has. And that one goes on the top right here. Number 5 and 6 is for the 4G LTE antennas. They are cross-compatible and also come with double-sided tape to stick on various parts of the vehicle for the best signal. Number 7 is for your GPS antenna. Again, it comes with double-sided tape to stick in a place where you can get better signal. Number 8 is this light blue connector. This is for your SIM card adapter for the 4G SIM card. Number 9, which is located on the bottom here, this is for your factory button adapters. Last but not least, we have the auxiliary camera harness, and you can also stick an external microphone if you wish. This is optional, and this is just for the tablet. The speaker just for the tablet. Number 10, you may notice that we did not put anything in there. This one is useless socket. You can see conveniently we can place 2 extra USB cables through the glove box. We just run the cable through here and into the hole. If you have a hard time, you're able to have more space by placing it like that and lowering the glove box. We're going to place all the old connectors back on their original buttons and switches, and then with the new ones, we're going to place it to our new connectors, and I'll show you what that looks like next.
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
Last but not least, if you want to keep the factory notifications for Bluetooth and such, you're going to grab this little speaker here, as long as the connector with the purple, and we're going to place that on this slot right here. Okay, now that we have everything clipped in, all the wires tucked in behind, the kit comes with OEM color matching bezels that go on like so. But first, we need to place in the original screws. The 2 originals on the top are not needed as the screen is now covering it, but it still offers plenty of support in making sure that stays on the dash. Now that we have everything installed, nice large screen from the top to the bottom. We still have all functionality on the bottom. We have climate control buttons, as well as controlling your fan speed, as well as your volume. We still maintain the wireless CarPlay. As you can see, it's a complete Android tablet built into your vehicle. We have all the apps here that are preloaded, and you can download more from the Play Store. We still have full functionality of Google Maps. We can have our Spotify, full CarPlay with all your apps. Once connected to Wi-Fi using a personal hotspot, home Wi-Fi, or even the built-in SIM card adapter, you can check out Netflix, all the shows, all the movies that you want, and you do have the option to watch while driving, not recommended. And, of course, you can watch YouTube for the latest Garage 88 videos. Thanks for sticking to the end of the video. As a token of my appreciation, I'm offering a discount code of 8% off your next purchase using discount code YouTube8. If you want to take your truck to the next level, take a look at the website, garage88.ca, and I'll see you on the next one.